1 versus double with blunder ratios against with whole number B here. Without faces by anticipated by clash here between GM Lating G with Team Dragon Chilling and Battle Faces International Master Batkuya Mongotol with Team of Mongolia Aldar. So what happened of this round number 11? So this is a blunder ratios. Many of this one with games very wrong move. So this is a movement here. So this is a accidentally here. So what do you think about what happened of these games here in this round number 11 in this blitz chess here? So let's see of this one with play chess here. White pieces by GM, my favorite players in China, Lei Tingqi, with a battle with black pieces by international master in Mongolia is Batkuya Mongotol here. So with a Dragon Chilling versus Mongolia Aldar here. So 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings of Pole B with round number 11. So d4 by Lei, d5 by Mongotol, knight f3, so quarter variations with queen's pawns opening, and symmetrical variations by knight f6 by Mongotol, and also bishop f4 London system with Lating G with a team of Dragon Chilling here. And also pawn c5 by Mongotol with a team of Mongolia Aldar here. And also pawn e3 controls develops the pawns, and also knight c6 and c3 by Lei. So this is a more of this one with semi-slab. So this is called by semi-slab by white pieces here with the same of blacks. Captured by Mongotol, takes with Lei, and also bishop f5 by Mongotol, and also knight bt2 controls by defense by knights here, and also pawn e6 to provide here to movement by continuations here. By next of this one with next of bishop e7 or maybe bishop to d6 it's a dark square by with diagonals here. And also bishop e2 by Lei without next castling kingside here. Be prepared from this one with castling. And also bishop d6 excelente or good precise by Mongotol with idea to threat the bishop here. And also bishop captured with accepted by Lei. Queen takes captured by Mongotol, and also knight h4. What a good precise with Lei. With that idea with knights with threats, the pros attacks the bishop with going out against targets. Bishop e4, what a powerful strong by Mongotol. So with that bishop e4 with the idea to pins with light square with diagonals to threats the pawns here. I don't know what's the threat. So this is a knight here, so knight defense here. So cannot move by captured here. So this is a knights with defense by connected the pawns here. And also with Lei is knight go back hf3 here. And also castling kingside by Mongotol, castling by Lei, and also pawn h6. So no more by knight g5 connected by pass pawn with idea to controls by Mongotol. And also knight rook e1, sorry. Sorry, I forgot something. So it's, I think wrong move by this one. I thought rook e1. So let's say correct my speaking language here. So rook e1 by Lei here. And also bishop backwards f5 by Mongotol. And also bishop f1. Oh, with more of interesting by backwards to provide by this one with Lei here. And also knight e4, what a strong powerful by Mongotol with idea to threatening the knights. So this provides by counters attacks the knights. Knight captured by Lei, and also bishop takes e4 with a movement by threatening without knights here. So this is more of this one with temples attacks. And also knight e2 by Lei with controls with idea to be careful, so threatening the bishop here. And also bishop f5 by Mongotol here. And also queen f3. So this is a not found in this book line by Lating G because novelty. So this the old main lines with the year of 1929 here is knight b3 or pawn a4. So this is a old main lines with the year of 1929. So this is a third is novelty is queen f3. So this is a novelty, so not found of this book line because disappearance by Lating G here. And also rook a b8 by Montol. It provides by controls rook b fast here with pins here. And also pawn a4, what a good precise here. Or next by b4. So b4 or b5, so connected by powerful, strong by Lei Tingqi. So this is a creating by this one with mastering by with powerful. Bishop backwards g6 by this one by Montol here. And also pawn h4. What a good move by Lei. With that provides here by next of with the idea to h5 to threatening the bishop. So this is strong powerful here. And also pawn e5 with the idea to threatening the pawns and push by this one with e4 with the threatening the queens here. So does not like up this computer engine by Montol. So this is a given bad move here. So the one's currency move, the best move, this one is very strong powerful, is bishop to c2 is a strong powerful here. So according this one, so look at the evaluation bar. So this is a highest by goods by grades by evaluation bar. So this is a goods for slightly better for blacks. So back there, this one is pawn e5 by this one by Montol. Captured. What a miss by Lei here. So what a miss. So the missing the best move, the better is queen g3 is a better move here. So it means you cannot capture this pawn. So this is a queens by pins here. So this is the pins. If you rook to rook pd8. If you rook pd8 with the defense by with queens behind the rooks here. And decided by capture here. So capture threatening the queens here. And also with the backwards by ignores queen c7. So once of this computer engine, so evaluation bar by whites and also with the blacks here. So etc here. So this is a good score, slightly better for whites because once of this computer engine here. Okay, so the back there, this one with Lei, what a miss by captured by Lei Tingqi with idea threats the queens. Knight takes captured, what a good move with Montol. So provides by tempos attacks the queen's disturbance here. And also queen f4. What a pin with Lei Tingqi or pins with diagonals here. So it means pinning with queens without challenge by queen to queen because this is a knights here. Or maybe by rooks with threatening the knights or queens threats the knights here. So this is a double attacks here with double attacks with more fianchettos here. So this is a tempos attacks with targets here. And rook fe8, what that develops by Montol because this is a rooks here by Montol without defense by knights here because the queens and the rooks here. So this is a more positional move here. So provides by creating this one. So development here by this one with rook e files here. And also knight b3 with a movement by Lei Tingqi here. So this is a good provides here. What the plans here with Lei? With the maneuvers knight to d4 or knight to b5, threatening the queens here. So maneuvers by second maneuver here. And also bishop e4 by Montol here. And also queen backwards g3 by Lei Tingqi to backwards against knight by backwards with one move here. And also queen f6 here. So with a queen f6, so another bad move by Montol here. So this is a without more of this one with mistake move here. So this is a bad move. So that's not like of this computer engine. So the ones currency the best move, better move is pawn f5 here. Pawn f5 is the best move. So according this one here by computer engine, so this is a good score, advantage from slightly better for blacks here. So once of this computer engine, 2 grades will continuous here. So without back there with Montol with queen f6 here by Montol, and also knight d4 by Lei here. Rook b8 with rook pairs here against more positional moves here, and also rook ad1. Okay, rook ad1. So without creating here, what the plans here, or maybe by this one rook d2 by next battery here, or without blacks here with rook e7 with a battery. Without idea to decided to move by this one with positional move against with rooks here. And also pawn a6 by this one with Mong Tol here. So it means so this is a pawn a6 by movement by one move here. And also a5. So no more by stop by strong a5 here. So it means with move controls by Lei, so this is a connected by strong powerful. So strong powerful by this one with pawns here. Knight c6 by Mongotol with gathering by together with attacks the knights, and also b4 with a movement by defense. So with that idea, for example here, so why don't we continue if we knight captured? If you knight takes c6 here and also captured, so this is a provides a by computer engine here. Okay, so with that back there, this one is pawn b4 by this one with Lei Tingqi here, and also knight to e5 here. For example here, so another explain for example, so another example. So it means so why don't we move here? If you queen c7 here with more of this one is strong powerful here, knight captured here, rook captured with knights here, and also with queen to first queen. So queen captured pawns, and also queen captured. So it means so number of equal pawns here. So it means so this is a 4. So 4 minors versus 4 minors. Same by this one with whites and blacks here. I'm sorry I forgot something by second example. So realize here to continue by this one by analyzing the chess games here. So with a b4 by this one by Lei, and also knight e5 by Mongotol here, and also f3 with a strong foresight by Lei threatening the bishop, with a backwise bishop g6 by Mongotol here, and also rook d2 by Lei. So with that idea here, what the plans or next battery? With that controls by creating by battery against with build the center of this one. Rook e7 by Mongotol by next battery with building the centers here, and also rook d e2, what the build by battery by Lei here, and another battery by Mongotol is rook d8 here. So rook d8 here, and also rook e3 with the upwards here with Lei Tingqi here, and also knight to d3. What happens with that Mongotol? So this is a blunder ratios with the lowest by evaluation bar. So this is a double question mark here. So it means so the best move, the one's computer, this one is bishop to h5 is a best move here. So this is a evaluation bar. So almost by this one with blacks by evaluation bar by goods, perfect shot here. So this is a goods for slightly better for blacks here. So with that back there, this one is knight d3 against with Mongotol here, and rook e4 with Lei lowest evaluation bar. So it means blunder ratios by Lei. So almost upcoming running out of time, 4 seconds by Lei Tingqi. So what happened this one? Because movement is rook e4, so this is a wrong move. So blunder ratios. So the best, the miss better is capture this rook, captured, and queen captured. What the easy by this one by challenge by rook to rook, because the miss by this one by Lei Tingqi here. So this is a first by rook captured here. So it means so almost running out of time by 4 seconds here. So this is a goods for slightly better for whites here. Okay, so back to this one is rook e4 with Lei Tingqi blunder ratios. Rook e6 by Mongotol, what a miss with Grand X. So the missing the better is decided captured with almost one rook down by Lei here, with captured by Mongotol. So it means if you h5 here, wait, if you h5, wait, h5, okay, h5. So what white pieces with h5? If you h5 here, And also with a h5 by sacrifice here, and also bishop captured with sacrifice with pawns here, and also rook captured pawns here with rook to rook here. If you rook captured here, and also f takes captured rooks here, and also rook captured. So no more rooks by lay here. So it means so 3 versus 4 minor pieces. So easy wins for blacks here by Mongtol here. Okay, so the factor this one is what a miss by Mongtol rook e6 here. And with a decided with rook captured accepted with lating G and last move. Rook e7, what happened? So another blunder ratio, so it is not about bad move. So rook e7, so after that, so end of this battle with Pole B, round number 11, with the decided is resigns by with Team Mongolia Aldar but Kuya Mongtol with International Master Mongolia. What happened? What a miss by captured. So without review, let's back to review here. So the best move is captured. What a miss. F takes captured. What happened with Mongtol? So this is a provides by captured. So what a better move here. Or maybe by this one by rook captured. Or rook takes captured. So it means if you rook captured here and capture this one. So this is a good score, slightly better score blocks. Hi, what happened? So rook e7, what the missed the blunder ratios here. Okay, with the score with GM Lating G 88.9 and the score with Batkuya Moto what the fairly satisfactory 79.1. Okay, with the winner of Grandmaster Lating G here. So okay, I will next from this one. So I'm the not waste of time here. So we'll skip against with quarterfinals here. So I thought one game or two games analyze here. So I will choose up this one with best game here. Okay, so don't forget by game number 5 here with chess face-to-face championship between Norberto Reston versus me. So I will update up this one with play chess here. Okay, so I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17 aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget by subscribe by notification bells here. Mark Luagi 17 English speaking only and Mark Luagi 17 part 2 with Tagalog and Cebuanos. And don't forget by views and like my videos and just comment of this problem and this one to what happened my videos here. And keep updates of this next chess updates and happy Sunday. Good night. I'm gonna sleep well.